hippopotamus has a spotamus on his bottomus. And so begins the story of a hippo who kindly humors his animal friends as they try to diagnose the unusual spot on his bum. Beaver says he has jungle fever, Weasel says he has a diseasel, and Sister says he has a blister. This light-hearted, whimsical romp is one that children ages 4 to 6 will especially appreciate. Readers will love the illustrations and will specifically enjoy pointing out the red spotamus on Hippo's bottomus. The combination of illustrations and funny rhyming verses make this book perfectly suited for reading aloud and will have children and their adults chuckling. This book may even inspire readers and listeners to create their own funny words and rhymes. My name is Jennifer and I work in the children's department. I hope that you come to the Napa Main Library or one of our library branches and check out Hippospotamus by Gene Willis. Come find out what happens to the spotamus on Hippo's bottomus. You won't want to miss the ending. See you soon. Bye. Uh-oh.